In this video I'm going to show you how to quickly update the home page if you ran through the quick start and set up your site like this sample site. First thing you want to do is go into pages and select home, as this is the page that's showing on your front page. You'll notice there's no content here, but we do use the Apex page settings meta box. If you want to learn more about settings and the whole settings hierarchy with Apex, please view the settings video. For now, in this video, we're going to mainly look at two main elements. So go to the Elements tab. We're going to deal with the extra content and then also the hero element and the hero settings tab. So back in the Elements tab, the extra content, there's two fields, and what these do is they take a menu item, and each item in the menu has the option to be displayed as extra content on your page. These two fields are basically the same. There's just a slight difference in the positioning of them. You can really only see the difference if your main page, which by main page I'm referring to the actual home page, uses a sidebar or not. If there is no sidebar, there's really not much of a difference, and you can use either or both of them. It's really kind of up to you. For the sample site, we're just using the outer view. So you can see in this select box, there's main menu, hero menu, contact page, none. If you don't want any extra content to be displayed, or use default, which would default back to global settings, setting your theme settings. But we have this set up for the main menu, and you'll see if you go into appearance menus, we have the main menu selected. If you ran through the setup guide, you have gone through and set up your menu just like it's showing here. Every one of these items that have the visible icon, visible, will display on the home page. So every one of these items should be displaying except for the blog and these four individual posts. So let's quickly take a look at our home page. I'll refresh it here. And you can see all of this content. It takes the items in the menu and displays the content of those actual post items down the page. If I go into the home page and set this to none and update, then there's absolutely no content on the page besides the hero element, since we don't have anything in here. And also, if I would take and select just the contact page menu, which is set up to be used on every other single page of the site, and update, refresh the home page, you'll see that you just get the contact page. So I'll go to the menus and toggle to the contact page menu. You see there's only one element, contact us, and this is set up for every other single page of the website, blog posts as well. And notice on this blog page, the extra content by default is set to the contact menu. So every page has this contact menu at the bottom. On the home page, we'll set it back to the main menu to show all of our content we want. And you'll notice in the main menu here, I also have the Contact Us page listed at the bottom. So that is how you set up the extra elements on the home page. And again, in your menu, you can rearrange this however you want. You can add new pages in, you can add individual posts, you can add individual news tickers, individual members, individual galleries. If you're not seeing these things over here, go to your screen options, and they're probably just not toggled to show on your screen. So very flexible. It allows you to set up your site however you want and whatever you want to display. So that's the extra content section of the home page. For the hero element, which is this element at the top, you go to the hero settings tab, and this is where you can update the logo. You can switch a different menu to display here. You can switch the rotators. Both the rotators are just rotating news tickers. You need to create news tickers in rotate mode. The text rotator is a default news ticker. A background rotator is an image news ticker. I'll click that here, and you can see these are the two items. The hero rotator is just a default ticker, and that's the text. You probably want to have the same number of default ticks as you do in the hero BG rotator as image ticks. That meta box is down the page here a bit. So the image ticker data. See, there's 3 images added. And that's how you get your hero rotator set up. With the sample content that you get imported, all of the images are the same. But on the preview site, you'll see that they are different images. So that's about it for the home page. You can optionally set different highlight colors. You can set a background for your hero item. You can upload a static image. If you do add a static image as a background, you need to have the background rotator set to no rotator. Otherwise, it will not show up. So that is it for the home page. Please view the rest of the videos to find out more about theme settings, different color settings, and just more elements of Apex. Thank you.